if you want to create a client-only page on your Squarespace website, it's really, really easy to do. Now, I have a ton of different clients who would have a use case for this. E.g., let's say we have a finance firm and they want to show a client a report, but they don't want anyone else to be able to access this report. So what we need to do is create a hidden page, and then we need to password protect that page to give the client the ability to go there using a unique link and then log in with the unique password. So I'll show you how to set it up now. And there's obviously a ton of different use cases, but this is one I've worked on maybe 2 or 3 times. So it is something that does come up more often than you'd think. Now, in terms of showing you how to build it, I'm going to use a live site as an example. So what you're looking at here is Wireframe Designers. This is actually due for a bit of a redesign, but this is my graphic design company. Now, what we need to do first of all is just head into Pages. And then what you'll see here is Not Linked. In the Not Linked section, this is where we're going to put the page. Because if you have, 50 different clients, you don't want your main navigation to be stuffed with, client 1, client 2, etc. You want it to be hidden. So click plus in Not Linked, and we'll create a blank page here. So we'll say client 1 report. Now in here, we're going to click edit, and we're going to start to add things in. For this video, it doesn't have to be anything special. We can just add in a few templated sections in here. Absolutely terrible design, Sam, but you get the idea. So we put all the content in that we want to show the client. Great. Where the magic happens is in the back end of the page. So we click on the cog, and what we're going to do is we're going to give this a unique URL slug. So under URL slug here, obviously you can see you've got client 1 report. What we're going to do is we're just going to put a random sequence of letters and numbers. Yeah, you can do whatever you want for this, but just something that no one's going to guess. So we've got that in. Hit save. Great. Now when I go to wireframedesigners.com and I plug in this, so let's go to wireframedesigners.com. That's the live site, and then I plug this in. You're going to see, okay, we can access it. But if someone did manage to get this URL, they could still access the site. They could still access the page, should I say. So how do we get around this? Well, we click on the cog. Now what we want to do is we want to hide it from search results so no one accidentally stumbles on it. But then we want to password protect it. So back in general, we're going to add a password in here, and you can make this anything you want. So again, you can just put a random string of numbers and letters, and you can see when I click to view, it's just a random password. So if I just copy this, hit save, when I refresh the page, so again, this is on the live site, it comes up with the password protected page. So we plug in the password, and there we go, we log in. So what this does for your clients is it allows them to have that unique URL that nobody else can find nor access if they somehow manage to guess the string, manage to guess the URL. So what we have now is a page unique to each and every client that you have, again, random sequence of numbers and letters or whatever you want to put in. And then if someone was to randomly guess it, it's password protected and only your client has that password. So a really nice feature that not a lot of people would assume Squarespace can do because they're not thinking out. So that's just a really nice little feature that Squarespace can have for your business. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.